We're working with clients to help them build a tax strategy fit for the future, and we'll be looking at a number of different ways we can do this, including the world of business analytics. Peter and Simon are going to help me understand how they're using business intelligence software, also known as BI, to help clients like mine with country-by-country reporting, also known as CBCR. So Peter, let's start with that very question. How are you and your teams helping clients like mine with the new requirements?
So Harriet, every client is different, and initially it's a question of looking at the guidance and working out how that guidance applies to clients like yours, for example, before helping them with their dry runs and any definitional questions that come out of the country-by-country report. But the area that's really exciting, that's linked to tax function of the future, like you said, essentially is how we can then use business intelligence software like ClickView, like Tableau, and like Microsoft Power BI to really drill into those country-by-country reports.
So Simon, Peter mentioned there about the use of this BI technology. Please can you explain a little bit more about what these technologies do and how they can help?
Sure. Well, BI tools help you to check and understand the underlying data. So for example, you could chart or visualize the data or run an algorithm to test that it's right. But for me, the most important thing is helping clients to act upon that data and make the right decisions.
So Peter, can you elaborate a little bit more on why it's so important to use these technologies and where they can make a real difference?
So they can make a real difference in three areas, Harriet. The first area is around the aggregation. So we know that organisations will have multiple different sources of data that end up coming through the country-by-country report. And BI technologies can help bring those data sources together. The other two areas are around the risk assessment that Simon talked about. BI technologies are great at bringing things to life. The third area, again, Simon referenced it, essentially is around the interrogation of the country-by-country report, and it's a really, really critical area. It enables organisations to stay in control around the country-by-country report, ensure that the country-by-country report is correct, and remove some of the heavy lifting that they have to do without a technology like a BI technology supporting them in this way.
Okay, thank you very much, Simon and Peter, for clarifying some of those areas. If you'd like to talk about what CBCR means for you and how technology can help, please do get in touch.